You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word correctly in English, the pronunciation in British English first. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. Many more for you coming up. Slumber is the British English pronunciation, as said in the UK, slum-ba. Stress on the first syllable, the slum syllable, slumber. The American English pronunciation, US. Slumber, slumber. Slumber, US, United States pronunciation, how to pronounce slumber in British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.